Trying to make my chair a little higher here. Don't mind me. Still going. What's up, guys? It's Cassidy. Welcome back to my channel. I just spent the last 30 minutes trying to figure out my setup, and guess what? It's the same from where I started. But anyway, today I'm going to talk about my February favorites for you guys. My favorite products for the entire month of February. I don't have that many things though. I feel like I always say that and then my video ends up being like 38 minutes long. But we'll see. I mean, hey, who knows? So even though I don't have that much stuff, I do think the things that I do have are going to be super helpful for you guys. I think you guys are going to love them just as much as I do. So before we get into this video, please don't forget to click the like button. If you like favorites videos, just hit the like button down below and show me some love. And while you're down there, you might as well subscribe, join the Cassidy Secrets gang, and I'll love you forever. And now that you're done subscribing, because I know you did, let's just jump right into this video. So the first thing I have to talk about is like one of those things that I didn't really want to talk about to you guys just because it's kind of like, why are you telling me this? What's the point? But who knows? Maybe it'll do you good. This is a perfume, and the reason why I don't like really talking about perfumes that much is just because I feel like it's impossible to explain a scent through a video. You know what I'm saying? But I just had to mention this because it is seriously so good. I have never in my entire 24 years of living gotten as many compliments as I do on a perfume other than this one. This is called White Tea and it's by Elizabeth Arden. Elizabeth Arden White Tea. If any of you that are watching have met me in person in the past 6 months, you will know that I've been wearing this perfume, and if you've smelled me, it's this one. This is the only perfume that I feel like goes really well with my body chemistry and actually lasts on my skin all day. Like from the moment I put it on to literally even sometimes the next day, I smell like this perfume. It's a really light, fresh, and clean smell, yet it still has that strong scent. Like it's not fresh and clean to the point where it's kind of barely there. It's a strong, fresh, and clean smell. It just smells so good. I absolutely love it. I feel like this is a perfect perfume for anything daytime and anything nighttime as well. It's kind of like that perfect in between. So if you guys ever get the chance to either sample it or try this out, I know you're gonna love it. Trust me. I know you. I know you guys. You're gonna love this. Now next, I'm gonna talk about two favorite lippies that I have. The first one is the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir Lip Oil, and I really, really like this. When I first tried these out, I was like, oh, a lip oil, okay, like I'm not really into those that much, but I tried this out, and if you guys have noticed in my recent videos, I've been using this a lot. It's just that perfect thing to wear when you don't really want to have a lip gloss, you don't want to have a lipstick, or you don't even want to have a lip balm on it. If any of those things is too heavy, even a chapstick, this is going to be the perfect thing for you, and I love it because it's super lightweight. It doesn't feel like a gloss, but it kind of looks like that gloss, like it has a shiny finish. And I love that it adds just the slightest tint of color to it. So you can just throw this on and be really heavy-handed with it. But it won't give you like a completely orange lip. It'll just give you a slight wash of color for that like your lips but better kind of look. And then another lip sort of treatment that has been my favorite this month is the Glossier Coconut Balm.com. It's a lip balm and it's amazing. So during the winter I actually go snowboarding quite frequently, and my lips, like, and my skin, anything that's exposed, which is usually like this mid area of my face, tend to get really dry, almost like they kind of get like windburn. I don't know if that's a thing, but I feel like it's a thing because it happens to me. So I always use this Glossier Balm.com sort of like the night after I go snowboarding, and it's just a really like moisturizing, it feels like a lip treatment. It doesn't so much feel like just a lip balm. It's really moisturizing. It smells like really good coconut, and I'm obsessed with that. So I really like this a lot, and I've been using it a ton during the winter because it keeps my lips from being chapped and dry. So this next product, I've used it a ton in tutorials, but I can't believe I haven't mentioned it in my favorites video. I've completely forgotten, and it is this primer. This is the Origins Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb, and you guys, if you have not tried this primer, go out to the store and get it right now. Origins was kind enough to send me this product, so thank you so much, Origins. I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. But I remember when I first got it, I was like, okay, a new primer, let me just try it out. I tried it out and then I put my makeup on, and later in the day I kind of like forgot that I used a new primer, and I remember in the nighttime looking in the mirror and being like, I'm having a really good makeup day. Like, why does my makeup look this good? What did I do different? And I totally forgot that I used a new primer, and then once I remembered, I was like, it was the primer. That hasn't happened to me in a really long time, where I actually noticed the difference in my makeup at the end of the day. So I was super impressed with it, and every time I use it, it just creates like a flawless finish that's also long lasting. It makes your makeup last longer, and it really just, for some reason, just makes my makeup look so smooth. It's a primer that actually does something, and not one of those primers that is just like, okay, you're just putting it on for shits and giggles. This actually does something, and if you guys haven't tried it out, you should. Next up, I have a powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and similar to the primer, I'm sure you guys have noticed me using this powder in a lot of my videos recently, and it's just such a good setting powder. First of all, it's like $8, and it is not kidding you guys, this is totally comparable to like Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. The quality is so there. What I like about this one is that it sets my under eye, and the powder really just sinks into my makeup. It doesn't get cakey at all, and if you want to either set your entire face or you can just like bake under your eyes with this, either way, it's amazing, and it creates that perfect flawless finish, and you're also saving money because it's super affordable. I'm gonna switch over to a hair product that, you guys, I have not been able to get enough of, and this is the Living Proof Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate. I went to an event and found out all about this product, and everything that they said at the event was true. Sometimes you go to events and brands will like talk about their products like they're gonna save your life, they are going to cure world hunger and like all of that, and then you try it out and you're just like, I'm still hungry though. But no, this is actually really, really good. So it goes on sort of as a serum. I just put 2 pumps onto my hand and rub it in, and then I massage it into my damp hair right before I'm either about to blow out my hair or just like do some curls or anything. And it's a heat protectant up to 450 degrees, which is really good because I usually use my curling iron at about like 370 degrees. It also makes my hair really shiny, and for my blonde hair, anything that is gonna help with heat protection and add shine and just make it look as healthy as possible is, I'm all about it. And my favorite thing about this is that when I put it on, it makes my hair smell so good, and the smell lasts throughout the day. Like, it just has such a good scent, and it really stays on your hair. So that's honestly one of the reasons why I love this a lot. But I also love that it just makes my hair look softer. And for my processed hair, it's a little bit tricky for me to do that now. So this definitely helps with it. Lately, my skin has been playing the hell out of me. I don't know what's going on with my skin. I don't know if I'm just like picking at everything too much, or if I don't know, my skin has been like around here. These are my problem areas. It's just been really clogged. I feel like I have a lot of like blackheads, but like underneath my skin. I don't know, it's so weird. I just feel like my skin is super clogged. So I've been trying to use a lot of products that will like detoxify and strip everything from underneath the surface of my skin. And I've really been loving this product by Shea Moisture. This is the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Toner. Excuse my voice, I'm extremely raspy right now. I've been using this sort of like right before I moisturize my skin, and I really like how I feel like it takes all of the dirt out of my skin. Like anything that's left over after I wash my makeup off, this baby right here will get it. And this is more geared towards like problematic, blemish prone skin. So right now that my pores are feeling really clogged, I feel like it helps out with that because I'm having that issue right now. So it's really helping out, kind of like minimize those clogged pores and everything like that. So I've really been loving this, and I've been trying a bunch of new things from this bamboo charcoal detoxifying line that Shea Moisture has had, and I'm really loving a lot of the things, but I just wanted to mention this one because it's been my favorite from the entire line. And then the very last thing that I have to also help me out with my problematic skin right now is this TLC Sukari Baby Facial by Drunk Elephant Skincare. I have tried out so many things from Drunk Elephant and I absolutely love them. Like, Drunk Elephant is just such a good skincare line. They have ingredients in there that are so well thought out and so like geared towards specific problems that actually work. So this is Baby Facial and it's basically like a mask. And what I do is I put a few pumps on my hand, rub it all over my skin, and it feels like a very thick, kind of sticky consistency. And after I have it on there for a little while, it starts like tingling on my skin and I can feel it eating away at all of the dead skin on my face. So that's basically what it is. It's like an exfoliating facial that really leaves my skin feeling completely fresh and brand new, like baby skin. So I guess that's why they call it baby facial. But it's really good when I want to have like fresh glowing skin, and if I want my makeup to look really, really great, I'll use this early in the day. It feels softer. It feels like my pores are kind of like detoxified in a way. So when I feel a lot of buildup on my skin, this is like the first thing that I run to, and I just really, really enjoy using it a lot. Alright guys, so I hope that wasn't too rough listening to my raspy voice right now. I feel like I'm struggling to yell at you guys. And I'm sorry, but I hope you guys did enjoy these favorites. I absolutely love all this stuff. As always, I don't talk about anything that I don't love. So I hope you guys enjoyed these things. If you have any questions, as always, any questions about the products that I mentioned, drop that down in the comments. You already know. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know how much it means to me from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so, so, so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!